Hi and welcome back to my channel, The Queen Phoenix. This is called the granny circle in a square. So this entire first 3 rows is the actual circle and the square is put on last. For this, you can decide what colors you're going to do it in. It's actually perfect for leftover yarn. So I've got 4 different colors and let's try this. Don't forget you need a pair of scissors and a crochet hook. You'll start with a magic circle or magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. This first chain 3 counts as 1 double crochet. Now you're going to make 11 double crochets. So 1, 2, let me just move this tail a bit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm going to pull this a bit, 8, 9, 10, 11. With your 3 chain, you will have a total of 12 double crochets. This is round 1, all done. Please slip stitch into the top of your 3 chain space. Chain 1. Cut your yarn so that you'll work away that tail later. Let me just make my circle a bit more circular. I'm going to move to the second color. And you can see I'm using quite small bits of wool that I have left over. You can join this in any of the stitches. So I'll just join it here. I just made a slip stitch and I'm going to pull through. I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to put 1 double crochet in the exact same stitch. Chain 1. I'm going to make 2 double crochets in the next stitch. I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to make 2 double crochets in the next stitch, followed by 1 chain stitch. And you will continue in that pattern all the way around, and I'll meet you right back here. You would have chained 1. In total, you'll have 24 double crochets. Slip stitch into your 3 chain space, chain 1, cut your yarn. Row 2 is done. Row 3. Remember, this is any colors that you wish. It's your choice. I'm just going to use this pink. Right. For this row, we're going to work only in the chain 1 spaces right across this. So join your yarn in any chain 1 space. I just made a slip stitch and I'm going to pull that through. Chain 3. And I'm going to make 2 double crochets in the exact same space. In that chain 1 space, I'm making 2 more double crochets. Now I'm going to chain 1. And I'm going to make 3 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. And I'm going to continue to do that right around the circle until I get to the end. So only work your 3 double crochet in your chain 1 space, please. And I'll meet you at the end of this row. When you're done with your row, you're going to slip stitch into the top of your first 3 chains. 3 chain 1, cut your yarn. This is the circle part. Now we're going to do the square part. Again, join your yarn in any of the chain spaces in between the 3 double crochet clusters. So I'm just going to join there. And now instead of doing 3 chain, I'm going to do 4, 2, 3, 4, followed by 2 trebles, which is yarn over twice. Let me just redo that one. Move that, grab my tail at the back, yarn over twice. So there's the 2 trebles. Once you have your 2 trebles, you're going to make 3 chain into the exact same space. Please make 3 more trebles. That will take care of your first corner. Corner made. Chain 1. In your next space, you're going to make 3 double crochets. Chain 1. In your next chain space, 3 double crochets. Followed by 1 chain, and now we're going to make the exact same corner, and the corner is 3 triple crochet followed by 3 chain and 3 triple crochets again, all in the same space. If you like this video, please hit like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think. Tag me in a video that you do. You'll continue doing this pattern right around until you come to the end here. So in your next space, you'll have the 3 double crochet clusters, another 3 double crochet clusters, and a corner until you finish, and I'll get you right here. You would have made your last chain. Please slip stitch into your 4 chain space. Oops. Here we go. Chain 1, and you can cut your yarn, and here you go. Nice and simple. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.